In a world stripped of humanity, the echo of nature's resilience becomes a haunting melody. Once bustling cities now lie in ruins, where skyscrapers crumble beneath the weight of creeping vines and wildflowers burst through cracked pavements. The songs of birds resonate through these urban canyons, marking the resurgence of avian species reclaiming their territory. Meanwhile, wildlife flourishes, adapting and evolving in this transformed landscape as species once threatened find new habitats amidst the shadows of fading civilization. Ecosystems bloom anew, weaving interconnections that echo the beauty of balance. As Earth embarks on its most profound journey, healing itself in ways we never imagined,